Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm pretty hyped because I'm going to be trying some gray hair today. Someone asked me to try it, and although I'm rather skeptical because I have no idea what it's going to look like on me, I am excited. While I'm really excited, I'm also kind of skeptical about how I'm going to feel with gray hair because I literally am the person that snatches out my grays every time they grow in. Well, I used to. I'm doing better now. Now I've decided to temporarily color them by using this color stay stick that I found at the beauty supply store. It's a lifesaver because I just don't like gray hair. I don't want to feel old, but it's something that's trending now. I guess it's some type of artistic expression, and there are many girls who are rocking it so well. Like, look at her, she is killing it. And her, and then this girl in the curls, oh my goodness. And I don't know if y'all follow Samantha Pollock, but she recently went completely gray. Her grays were grown in so heavily that she decided to actually do the big chop, and she had really long hair, but it was just like spotting in different areas. So she said, let me just rock the gray. So gorgeous. And she didn't even dye it, y'all. Amazing. Today we're going to be doing a bob style this gray from Ywigs. And I have worked with this company in the past. Their units always come in this drawstring bag, and I really like this. And then you get a little box with your unit. So I'm gonna take the unit out. And before I get questions, for those who are wondering, this video is already up for this hair. Oh my goodness, this is a pretty gray. Wow. It looks like it kind of has like a lavender undertone. I don't know. Oh man, and this one also comes with an adjustable strap that you can attach and detach. So that's good. It would be great if I don't even have to glue this one down, but we're gonna see. Oh my. Look at her. What is her name, y'all? What would y'all call this one? Wow, that bob looks like it's gonna be killer. Okay, we don't have to worry about knots or anything because they're bleached. This is a lace front construction. Oh, it is. It does have like a purple cap. So this one is gray, but it's like a purple gray. I don't even know how you would describe that other than like a grayish purple. I don't know. But it's so pretty. And it looks like it's cut bluntly, which is great. It comes with 2 combs on the side. This one doesn't actually have a comb at the bottom, but it does have adjustable straps. And I'm going to attach my elastic band using the little clasp. Y'all don't even understand how ready I am to get this unit on. I want to see what it looks like on me. And if you rock gray, leave a comment in the comment section. Even our grandmas are really killing this gray color. And I love that this one is kind of icy. It has like a platinum type feel, I guess. Y'all know who I can't wait to show this wig to though? Gerard. What is he gonna say about this one? He gets to see what I would look like as a grandma with all gray hair. That's so fun. Okay, I'm gonna take this unit off and put this one on, and let's see what she can do. All right, so this unit is in length 10. I'm really interested to see how short it's gonna look when it's on my head. And it's also 150% density, and I really like the density that it is. It has been pre-plucked, so I'm not gonna tweeze the hairline at all. So it looks good, and you'll be able to see it more once I put some Sally Hansen. I'm gonna actually turn it over, spray some Sally Hansen, also cut off the lace, and then we're gonna begin the install. Y'all, so I went to change my top. I felt like the unit would go better with a white or cream top. This one is from Shein. I love the design. That's what it looks like. All right, so let's put the unit on. I hope I don't have to secure it down. It's gonna be awesome if I don't. And I did put the elastic band back on. Oh man. Wow. Y'all, it fits me so good. It's perfect. I don't have to add any gel, so that is awesome. This is gonna take some getting used to for sure. Okay, let's get some little baby hair going on the side. One thing I will say while I'm getting my baby hair out, this hair doesn't look the same color as it did on the website. On the website, it looks more so gray. This one, as I shared with you guys earlier, has like a purple undertone, but the one on the website just looked like a silver gray, which is actually what I was expecting. This one is still nice, but it doesn't look the exact same color.
Wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so.
As I was doing my baby hair, y'all know who I started to think about with this color? Jackie Aina. She's worn this color a lot and it looks so beautiful on her. Well, anything looks good on her because she's just amazing. It flat irons very nicely. I'm not having to do many passes through the hair. I'm just kind of doing one pass and then doing a little bump, and then you see that one I screwed that up, so I gotta go back over it, but all right, y'all. This is the look. Let me put the comb in the back. Oh, there's no comb. Would have been nice to have a comb in the back. I'm just so used to that. This unit is really, really cute. I love the shape and how they cut it. So that's the end of this video. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this gray. I'm really feeling it. I keep looking at myself like, who are you, Mary? This is a different girl. I would have never, ever thought in a million years that I would have tried gray. But it's a really cool look. And y'all, it really does look more gray in real life. You can see more of the purple on camera, but it does have some gray. It's just really, from what I can see, it's not really showing up on camera very well. But you all check the link for this unit. Check all the specifications out. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Let me know what you all would name this wig. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.